Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you a super easy way to convert Spotify playlists to MP3. Let's get started. First, launch Sidify and open the settings page. Here you can customize the output options based on your needs. Choose Spotify as the platform, then configure the conversion mode, output format, bitrate, sample rate, output folder, file naming, and any other settings you prefer. Once everything looks good, go back to the Sidify homepage and select Spotify. You'll need to sign into your Spotify account before accessing your playlists and songs. Now open the playlist or songs you'd like to convert. On the right side, click the plus icon to import the playlist and songs. If you need music videos, click here. If there are songs you don't want to convert, simply uncheck them before continuing. Once your selection done, click Add. If you have more playlists or songs to convert, just repeat the same process and add them to the conversion list. When everything is ready, click Convert. Sidify will begin processing your playlist. The conversion time depends on the number of songs you've selected, so just wait until it finishes. Once the conversion is complete, you'll find your exported MP3 files in the output folder you selected earlier. Before we wrap up, here's another useful tool called Playlist Go. If you're switching between music streaming platforms, Playlist Go makes it easy to move your playlist from one service to another. It also lets you export your playlists as text files, including TXT, CSV, and XLS formats, making it convenient to back up your playlist or organize your music library. If playlist management is something you do often, Playlist Go is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.